Hi everyone, I am M. Purnima Devi, working as an assistant professor under AIML department in SNS College of Technology. Today I am going to discuss about AI tools. So generating exercises. So ChatGPT can be powerful tool for exercise generation. It can create exercise from scratch, but these are often the most commonly used exercise of the subject. A more creative feeling exercise can be created if the initial prompt request ChatGPT to create the exercises example in the context of a certain theme. These exercises can be used in various ways. ChatGPT can be used to create variations of existing questions. For examples are to create additional exercise for students to practice on. Generating exercise from scratch. Here we propose an experimental way to approach exercise design. We have experimental very little with this. However, these results are promising. In the presented example, ChatGPT also generates more specific topics based on a title. However, you can utilize only a part of presented overflow. You can ask ChatGPT to add all necessary complementary data to be generated exercises, but the usability of a generated complementary data might vary. As always, also prove that the generated complementary material as it might also contain incorrect information. Give ChatGPT a topic and ask it to generate possible themes for the exercise. Ask it to generate variations revolving around a theme. Inspect the generated material. Example prompt for generating topics. You are a computer science university teacher. Give me good themes for programming exercise about the fundamentals of programming using Python. So, yet people kindly do this exercise and write the answers in comment box. So initial topics generated by ChatGPT 3.5. Certainly here are some good themes for programming exercise on the fundamentals of programming using Python. Basic data manipulation. Write a program to reverse a given string. Create a program to calculate the factorial of a number. Write a program to find the maximum and minimum values in a list. So control flow and decision making. Implement a program that determines whether a given number is prime or not. Write a program to check if a given year is a leap year. Write a program to generate the Fibonacci series sequence up to a given number. Loops and iteration. So implement a program that calculates the sum of all numbers from 1 to 9n using a loop. Write a program to find the common elements between two lists. Create a program that prints a pattern of numbers or characters using nested loops. Functions and modularity. So implement a program that checks if a given string is a palindrome. Write a program that calculates the area and the perimeter of various shapes, circle, rectangle, triangle using functions. Create a program that performs basic arithmetic operations, so plus, minus, into, division on two numbers based on the user input. File handling and data persistence. So implement a program that reads a text file and counts the occurrences of each word. Write a program that reads data from a CSV file and performs basic analysis on the data. Example, calculating averages, finding outliers. Create a program that stores user input into a file and allows retrieval of the data later. Error handling and exception handling. Implement a program that handles exceptions and gracefully recovers from errors. Example, division by 0, invalid user input. Write a program that reads data from a file and handles file related exceptions. Example, file not found, permission denied. Create a program that prompts the user for input and handles input related exceptions. Example, value error and type error. Example prompt for generating exercises, loops and iteration. Implement a program that calculates the sum of all numbers from 1 to 9 using a loop. Write a program to find the common elements between two lists. So functions and modularity. Implement a program that checks if the given string is a palindrome. Write a program that calculates the area and perimeter of various shapes, circle, rectangle, triangle using functions. So GPT 3.5 generated exercises, loops and iteration exercises, medieval theme, knights, summation quest. In the realm of numbers, the noble knight needs your aid. Implement a program that calculates the sum of all numbers from 1 to n using a loop. Just like a knight's journey, I trade through the numbers, adding them to your treasure chest of summation. So, alchemist's list of common lyrics. It has two mysteries list of ingredients. So, craft a program that uncovers the common elements between these lists. As you transfer the scrolls, reveal the hidden ingredients shared by both the list. The alchemist seeks your aid to create powerful concoctions using the knowledge you tracked. Grips pattern parchment. In the kingdom of patterns, the royal scribe beseeches you to craft an intricate tapestry of numbers or characters. Create a program using nested loops to view this masterpiece. As the scribe's apprentice, your task is to follow the patterns closely and bring the ancient decisions to life. The kingdom avoids your artistic touch. Functions and modularity exercise medieval. I think palindrome details of the court. The court visit is intrigued by palindromes and challenges you to decipher them. Write a program that tests whether a given string is a palindrome, a message that reads the same for forwards and backwards. Much like uncovering magical incantations, your code will reveal the mystical nature of words to the code wizard. Artisans workshop of shapes. Within the realm of geometry, you are the skilled artisan. So craft a program with modular functions that calculate the area and parameter of various shapes: circle, rectangle, triangle. Like the master craftsman, meticulously measure and calculate these properties, aiding the kingdom's architects and builders in their grand decisions. Royal mathematician enchanted calculator. The royal mathematician tasked with unraveling numeral enigmas. So records a program that performs basic arithmetic operations. GPT-4 generated exercises, loops and iterations. The king's count in the medieval kingdom. A grand feast is approaching, and the king wants to invite all the lords from 1 to 9. So the shared treasure map. Two brave knights have each half of the treasure map. Write a program to find the common elements, landmarks between these two lists. The castle blueprint. In the medieval times, planning a castle construction involved detailed blueprints. Implement a program that prints a pattern of bricks represented as numbers or characters using tested loops. This pattern will be used as a guide to build the castle walls. Function and modularity. The palindrome scroll. In the ancient library of the kingdom, some scrolls contain magical spells only recognizable if they read the same forward and backward. Implement a program that checks if a given string from the scroll is a palindrome. The royal architect. The kingdom architect is tasked with designing various structures like circular towers, rectangular halls, and triangle gates. The merchant calculation. In the kingdom bustling market, merchants often need to perform basic arithmetic operation to trade goods. Create a program that performs basic arithmetic operation these on to quantitative based on merchant input. Thank you.